Morning. We're going to do something a little different for breakfast this morning. We're going to make a breakfast cobbler. You heard that right, a cobbler. Okay. I have tater tots, which I pre-baked in a 9x13 pan. I baked them according to the package directions until I got done. I just took them out. I'm going to sprinkle some bacon bits on here, guys. These are real bacon bits. You can use the real bacon bits, or you can take actual slices of bacon, probably about 8 or 10 of them, and cook them until they're done and crisp, and turn them into bacon bits. Crumble them up. But for today, we're just going to throw a package of bacon on there, bacon bits. Okay. And I have cheese. Clean hands. I'm going to put 1 to 2 cups of cheese on there, probably closer to 1. This is shredded cheese. You can use whatever flavor that you like. This is the Fiesta, or a Mexican blend. Set it up over there out of the way. Stirring my eggs up here. Okay, I have some gravy. Stir our gravy. All this is pre-cooked. I will put a video link to my gravy in the description box. Okay, I have 6 eggs, guys. Going to sprinkle them across. These are soft cooked eggs because we're going to bake this a little bit more. I cooked them just enough for them to set up. Use your favorite seasoning. We happen to like Slap Your Mama, so just sprinkle a little bit of that. You could also just use salt and pepper if you wanted, doesn't matter. We like a little bit of variance in flavor. Okay, I have a sausage gravy. Homemade, of course. And we're going to spread that over top of all of the egg and tater tot mixture. And what I have right here is a package of the cheddar bay biscuits. I did put the little seasoning packet in here with milk. We're going to stir it up. Okay, and we're going to pour it over top of this gravy. I have my oven preheated to 375. Okay, spread this out a little bit. Okay. I'm going to put this in the oven and I'm going to check it at about 30 to 35 minutes and we'll see what it looks like then. Okay, I just took our breakfast cobbler out of the oven. I did bake it for 35 minutes. And as you can see, it's pulled away from the edges, it's brown around the edges and has cracks in there. And it's also firm on the top. So there's multiple ways to test to see if it's done, and those are just a few. That's what I always do. Let's get in here and see what this baby's going to look like. Oh my goodness. See that gravy running? Oh my goodness. This is going to be so good. Super hot. But did you guys see up close everything in that? Okay. This is the tail of the tape, guys. I have a little bit of everything right here on my spoon. I'd enjoy this better if it was 50 degrees cooler. Whew. It's good though. It's very good. I can't wait to dig in, and I'm definitely going to eat more than just this little corner piece. But if you guys have never made a breakfast cobbler, you need to give it a try. It's super easy to make. It just takes a little bit of time. You have to pre-bake the tater tots and make your gravy. And if you're going to fry your own bacon instead of using a package, you just have to get all that out of the way first. But guys, it is worth the extra amount of time. So, thanks for watching. Follow me on all my social media. Share this with your friends. And guys, I'll see you on that next video.